All right, what's up, you guys? Hope everybody's having a great day. Look, check out our shower. That sucker came together. Don't mind the sheet of drywall down there. We'll get rid of that here soon. We just wanted to show you all, trimmed out to perfection. This sucker's banging. We love it. Pretty little box in there for all the shampoos and stuff. But look, this is our favorite part. It's what we wanted to show you. Remember that epoxy wall that we had done and everything? Look, check it out. We got that set in there. It is sharp, just beautiful. We love that waterfall and how everything turned out. So we just wanted y'all to be a part of it. That's right outside here of the shower, going into that bedroom. But the entire shower is trimmed out, ready to go. And now look, let's put this shower to the test. It's one thing, all our showers, we aim to be, just as perfect as we can make it. So if you want to slide back there just a little bit, we're gonna. So check that out. Completely plumb. Now look, come here. Don't mind Tom's phone. Completely plumb. And then look, you can still read it right here. Look. Look at that. And then look at that. That's what we're talking about right there. It just don't get no better than that. We love trimming out our showers with PVC. We've been doing it for a number of years. Matter of fact, a good friend of ours, Billy Carson, Bad Boy in Showers, works for himself. Tuned him into this little trick recently here a few months ago, and he's popping them out like this too. So some of the trim work we do is a little thinner, some of it's about this size, but all in all it's PVC. It is completely perfect and just makes everything fine-tuned. We even skirted the bottom down there, ran the tile down there, and remember this was a lifted floor on purpose just because of the plumbing. Kind of like our toilet situation over here, there's no flange of any kind. It's an upflush system right on the other side of the wall. So you flush and feeds right in through there, goes out. We'll have to run that little boot in here later. But got our lights up, the vent, and we are working on our little cabinet area over here that's going to turn out really nice. So we've been tinkering around with this. We're getting really close to the finish. These will be our shelves in here. We're gonna end up painting all this and everything, but we dropped that in. It's recessed right in the wall, so that turned out really cool. And like I said, we just wanted you all to come in and see this as it is right now. We still got quite a little bit left with the vanity, the toilet. Tune in over here. Oh, Tom, the diverter ain't gonna fit in there. So we got a really cool little shower system here that gets mounted right here to the tile. And that's what the hole's for. Our water lines are gonna come right in here and feed that system. We still gotta put that in. We got some really pretty shower doors we're gonna put up in here. But all in all, this is where we're at. This was one of our last hurdles. Minus the bedroom in here, we're gonna get all our debris out, carpet, the old carpet, all that stuff, and just got a little bit of fine tuning left in here to do. So hopefully by Friday, by the weekend, somewhere in there, hopefully we're gonna be wrapping this one up. Mike's coming in, gonna make all our plugs. All our lights are already ran. Everything is, hooked up, ready to go. So he's gonna come in here and check everything out and get all our lights up and running so we can quit using all these floodlights and everything like that. But all in all, we're happy. The homeowners are actually on vacation, so we're gonna have this wrapped up by the time they get back so that we can bring them down here and show them really what's going on, their commercial bar top, just the whole nine. Put in so much time and work in here, and you know, when they get back, it's gonna be really nice. We're probably gonna do a live video with them. It's really cool. We did it with them several months back upstairs in their custom bathroom that we pulled off. So, you know, a lot of cool things coming up, and we got some more epoxy coming your all's way. We just wanted to tune you in and show you what was going on. So hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see y'all back real soon on the next one.